Welcome back to Being Financially Saved. They buy assets that pay them every single month. Let's break down this wealth building secret. When it comes to building wealth, it's important to understand the difference between saving and investing. While saving is important for short-term goals and emergencies, investing in assets is the key to long-term financial success. Assets are things like stocks, real estate, and businesses that have the potential to generate income and appreciate in value over time. One of the reasons the rich keep getting richer is because they understand the power of passive income. Passive income is money earned from investments and assets that requires little to no effort to maintain. This can come in the form of rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, or profits from a business that runs without direct involvement. By investing in assets that pay them every single month, the rich are able to grow their wealth exponentially. Instead of relying solely on a paycheck, they have multiple streams of income working for them. This allows them to weather economic uncertainties and continue to build their wealth regardless of the state of the economy. But this wealth building secret isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone can start building assets that pay them every single month. It's about making smart financial decisions, being disciplined about saving and investing, and staying focused on long-term goals. By prioritizing assets that generate passive income, you can begin to create a solid financial foundation for yourself and your family. This could mean starting to invest in the stock market, purchasing real estate, or starting a side business that has the potential to generate passive income. It's important to remember that building wealth takes time and patience, but by understanding the power of assets that pay you every single month, you can set yourself on the path to financial freedom and security. So let's take a page from the playbook of the rich and start building our own sources of passive income today. Income-producing assets are investments or properties that generate regular income for the owner. These assets can come in various forms, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, royalties, and private lending. Unlike active income, which is earned through direct time and effort, passive income from these assets allows individuals to earn money with less ongoing effort once the initial investment is made. Rental properties are one common example of income-producing assets. By renting out real estate, owners can generate a steady stream of income through tenants' monthly rental payments. Dividend stocks are another popular option, where companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders as dividends. REITs allow investors to earn income from real estate investments without owning the physical property, typically through dividends or capital appreciation. Royalties are payments received for the use of intellectual property, such as music, books, or patents. Owning royalties can provide a continuous stream of income for creators. Private lending involves lending money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments, providing a passive income stream for investors. It is essential to understand the difference between active income and passive income when considering income-producing assets. Active income requires constant effort and time to earn, such as wages from a job or income from a business, where the individual is actively involved. In contrast, passive income from assets like rental properties or dividend stocks allows individuals to earn money without actively working for it continually. Ultimately, income-producing assets can be a valuable tool for building wealth and creating financial security. By diversifying income streams and investing in assets that generate passive income, individuals can increase their earnings and achieve greater financial stability over time. Are you ready to take your financial portfolio to the next level? The key to financial freedom for the wealthy is a focus on generating income rather than simply seeking growth. By prioritizing recurring cash flow, the wealthy have found a path to sustainable wealth and security. One of the main reasons the wealthy prefer income over growth is the tax advantages that come with it. For example, depreciation on real estate and qualified dividends provide significant tax benefits, allowing wealthy individuals to maximize their income while minimizing their tax liabilities. This strategic approach to taxes is a crucial factor in building and preserving wealth over the long term. In addition to tax advantages, income-focused strategies offer better planning opportunities. Predictable income translates to less financial risk, allowing the wealthy to make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary exposure to market fluctuations. By prioritizing steady cash flow, they can maintain a more stable and secure financial position. Real-world examples further demonstrate the benefits of prioritizing income. Take Warren Buffett, for instance, who has built his wealth by investing in dividend stocks. His focus on generating income through these stocks has allowed him to consistently grow his wealth over time. Similarly, many wealthy families utilize trust funds as a source of income from their assets, ensuring that their financial needs are met without relying solely on market growth. By learning from these examples and adopting income-focused strategies, individuals can pave the way to financial freedom and security. So why wait? Start prioritizing income over growth and take your financial portfolio to new heights. In 2025, the rich are investing in a variety of key assets to diversify and grow their wealth. They are focusing on rental real estate, including short-term rentals, long-term leases, and real estate investment trusts, REITs, to generate passive income and appreciation in property values. Private credit and lending are also proving to be popular, with the wealthy earning interest through peer-to-peer platforms and other alternative lending channels. This strategy allows them to take advantage of high-yield opportunities and interest payments from borrowers. Dividend stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are another favorite among the rich, as they provide consistent payouts and the opportunity for capital appreciation. By building a portfolio with these assets, the wealthy can enjoy regular income while potentially growing their wealth over time. Digital assets such as content royalties, YouTube channels, blogs, and digital product licensing have become increasingly sought after by the rich as well. As the digital economy continues to expand, these assets offer the potential for substantial passive income and capital gains. Lastly, business ownership through silent partnerships and franchising has remained a popular choice for the rich. This type of investment allows them to take advantage of established business models and proven success, often leading to reliable income streams and long-term growth potential. In conclusion, the rich are carefully considering these key asset types in 2025 to build and maintain their wealth. Each of these assets offers unique advantages and opportunities for passive income, capital appreciation, and overall financial growth. Are you tired of working harder and not seeing the financial results you desire? It's time to work smarter by investing in income-producing assets that can help you build wealth over time. Start small by exploring options like fractional real estate, dividend investing apps, or high-yield cash flow platforms. These avenues allow you to invest in assets that generate passive income, enabling you to grow your wealth without having to put in additional hours at work. Reinvesting your income is key to compounding wealth. By consistently reinvesting the dividends or cash flow you receive from your investments, you can accelerate your wealth-building process. The power of compounding interest will work in your favor, helping your money grow exponentially over time. Building a diverse portfolio across various asset classes is another essential step towards financial success. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for higher returns. Diversification is a strategy employed by the wealthy to safeguard their wealth and maximize their investment opportunities. In conclusion, the rich don't work more, they work smarter. Income-producing assets are their secret weapon in creating long-term wealth. It's time for you to start investing in assets that not only grow in value, but also pay you regular income. Take control of your financial future by making strategic investments that can help you achieve your wealth goals. If you found this information helpful, show your support by liking subscribing, and dropping a comment with the asset you plan to invest in this year. Let's work together to build a prosperous financial future. Start investing in income-producing assets today and watch your wealth grow.